Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got for you all a Euphoria inspired makeup look. I see Euphoria videos on Instagram like almost every day now. So I thought I'd give it a go my style. So if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Since I've already got my base makeup down, I'm going to start off with my eyes. I'm going to prime my eyes. And to prime my eyes, I'm just using a concealer shade, basically a light concealer shade to prime my eyes. Making sure to take the concealer on my lower lash line as well. To ensure that the eyeshadow glides evenly on my eyes, I'm setting my eyelids with Maybelline loose setting powder. Now for the first eyeshadow shade, I'm going to use this pink eyeshadow and I'm going to be blending this in my crease. I'm using a windshield wiper motion to blend this eyeshadow into my crease and slowly but gradually building up the color. Also to blend, I'm using a fluffy blending brush which is very easily available on Amazon. Links to all the products will be in the description bar below. Now I'm using a shimmery purple shade and I'm going to be applying it over the same pink color to give some more contrast to the entire eyeshadow. Once again, I'm gradually building up the color. I'm using another fluffy blending brush to blend in this shade as well. For my outer corners, I'm using a pencil-shaped blending brush and going over with a darker shimmery purple only on the outer corners of my eye. This is to deepen up the outer corners so that it gives more dimension to the entire eye look. Now I'm going in with the lightest purple shimmery shade and using my fingers to apply this shade correct on my eyelid, in the center of my eyelid as well as in my inner corners. This is so that it gives a pop of color. I found that the pigmentation was better using my fingers rather than using a brush. Now moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to use the same pink shade with that fluffy blending brush and go over my lower lash line. And the best part about this eye look is that you can be as messy as you want. Now that I'm done with the pink, I'm going to use the same purple shade and go over the pink. I'm also using the darker purple on my lash line. Once again, using the lighter shade of purple to highlight the inner corners of my eye. Now that I'm happy with my color placement, I'm gonna use my favorite, glitter. Yes, so I'm gonna use this pink glitter and just stamp it all over my eyeshadow. As you can see, I'm dragging down the glitter over my cheek so that it looks like I'm tearing glitter. Basically, keep on building on the glitter till it looks like you are crying glitter. I suggest stamping on the glitter rather than swiping on the glitter. It looks more natural this way. and also the payoff is better. Now I'm using a darker glitter purple so that there's more dimension to the glittery tears that we have going on here. And once again, stamping on the glitter. Now moving on to eyeliner, I'm using the Inglot gel eyeliner with a very simple eyeliner brush and lining my eyes. Applying eyeliner with glitter on can really be a pain sometimes. So I thought of just lining my lash line, but then I just thought, why not just go for a wing? Since I was feeling all cutesy, I decided to make a small little heart with the same gel eyeliner which I did my eyeliner with. It's super easy to do and looks completely adorable. Now that one eye is done, let's do the other. I am in love with this look. It absolutely looks fantastic. Now to add more sparkle, I'm going to use some crystal studs and I'm just gluing them down with some lash glue. This look is so playful and fun. The studs will add a little more sparkle to the entire look. As you can see, I'm adding the studs to the inner corners of my eyes as well as I'll be applying them to the outer corners as well. Also, almost forgot to mention that I've also added a pair of falsies to give a complete fairy tale vibe. Now that the studs are in place, this look looks amazing. Now for some highlight, I'm using a holographic bluish purple highlight and just highlighting my highest points of my face like my cheekbones, my nose as well as my cupid's bow. Also not forgetting the arch of my brows as well. Now to prime my lips, I've actually used the Avon facial oil which works absolutely fabulous as a lip primer. And I'm also using a pink lip pencil to fill in my lips. I must say that this lip liner does have a purplish tint to it. Now that my lips are nicely lined, I'm using a purplish pink lipstick and applying that all over my lips with this Vega lip brush. Now to add a little bit of gloss, I'm using the Miss Claire lip gloss and applying that with the same lip brush. The lip gloss just adds more of the sparkle to the entire look. These Euphoria makeup looks are so interesting and so much fun to play with. Now to add a little more sparkle, I'm using a lip topper by Miss Claire. It's a pearly lip gloss that adds more sparkle and literally brings together the entire look. And there we have it. Our lovely Euphoria look is now complete. And this is the final look. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.